Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. This one's gonna be really short, really quick. Just a little briefing on what I'm doing today. I'm actually gonna get tested for COVID right now. I've been making it a weekly thing, just going to get tested, get a result. So far I've been negative, but you know, I just want to do for safety measures. I work as a delivery driver, so you know, I think it's just good practice. Second, I'm gonna go visit what I consider my alma mater, the first specialty coffee shop that I worked at that allowed me to really grow as a barista. Unfortunately, they're shutting down, and I talk about it in my Coffee Chatting Candidly. If you want to check it out, I think it's here or here. I think it's here, yeah. If you want to check it out, please do. But yeah, I'm gonna just record a little bit and then just show you guys, you know, my home away from home. All right, guys. So I tried to get tested, but unfortunately, the testing site was overfilled. So I have to wait an hour. I'm actually gonna buy some shoes because I ripped my work shoes, and so hopefully the mall's open. I'm at JCPenney right now. I'm gonna look around, see if I can find some shoes. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for an hour. But we're gonna get to the coffee shop. Trust me. Just you wait. So you guys know I had to do it. You know what I'm saying? I had to get this out of the bag. Had to get myself some Nike SBs. The wannabe skater boy in me shouted, SBs, SBs. So I got the SBs. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna get tested and then we're gonna go to Red Berry Coffee Bar. Peace! See you later! Alright guys, I'm about to head over to Red Berry. I'm about a minute away. Yeah, I'm really excited actually. It's been so long since I've been back. Like I said, this coffee shop was my home away from home. I learned everything about specialty coffee because of this coffee shop. So yeah, I'm about to head over there now. I'm gonna put some B-roll in, maybe kick in some audio so then you guys can hear about my thoughts of this place, because I really do. I'm very fond of this place. But yeah.
I've been a fool, all laid up feeling blue. Like every night it don't feel right. And yes, it's true, I'm just thinking of you.
Alright guys, so unfortunately they close at 1. That's something that I didn't know. I should have just checked before I came here. That goes to show how long it's been since I've been here. But I guess I really wanted to say that, you know, this place right here, Red Berry, has brought me a lot of joy in my life, a lot of, you know, curiosity and learning how to be a barista, learning how to make coffee. And yeah, I'm pretty sad that they're closing. As you can see, they have the notice sign right here. And so yeah, but it's all good. I might come back, I don't know, maybe next week. But this is just like a little short vlog to kind of show you guys, you know, Red Berry. I talk about it in a couple of videos. But yeah, hope you guys have a nice day. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So I couldn't go empty-handed after the Red Berry, you know, the unfortunate event. So I stopped by a local milk tea shop called Tea Life in San Jose, California. Please check them out if you're in the area. I got, this is a strawberry horchata. Strawberry horchata, you know what I'm saying? And then I got a waffle with the matcha glaze, because you already know your boy's hungry. So I'm about to do a little, I'm gonna glaze it up on camera. Let's get it. You ready? Alright. Here goes. 1, 2, 3. Bruh. Oh, let's get it. Oh, sugoi desu ne. Woo! Alright. You already know I'm about to go in, so I'm not gonna record any of this. It's gonna be messy. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.